In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files. Following that, you need to tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean at the top. Then select Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!